My PC was going nuts. Alright, let me just... Alright, so today I'm gonna just be working on... well, today it's really just implementing these screens. So yesterday I basically finished all of these screens. So this is what I did on Monday, so all these screens. And this is what from yesterday. I actually didn't do much from yesterday. I actually did not do anything yesterday. Yeah, but I did get started on this, implementing each one of these screens for the onboarding. Yeah, so following on what my goal for this week is to just finish the rest of the onboarding screens. I already got started, so yeah, let's just go. Yeah, so this one, the onboarding again is divided into 4 sections: account creation, the paywall, and then completing the rest of the onboarding, and then setting up the call assistant here. Yeah, so let's just go. Don't wanna waste time. Okay, good. Okay. Oh no. It might be too loud now. The audio is not good. Alright, good. Cool. Alright, testing. Okay, cool. So where was I yesterday? So here. Alright, and then this is where I got to. So this is the welcome. Very, very simple. And then when you press this, oh, yeah, it should connect to, it should go, so the next screen would be, excuse me, so if you press this, So automatically, if there's an account under this phone, it would automatically sign you up. So there's actually no need for a signing process. So what I did instead is I completely removed that part and just went ahead. It's like, if you don't have an account, you're gonna have to force to do this. So similar way as to your WhatsApp. So you select a number and then we need to verify it. Boom. I already have this actually on the app, but not the designs. So that's what I need. So this is the welcome, and then next screen is the adding the numbers, which is this one. So the OTP is the adding numbers. Let it just load. There you go. All right, is this where up to? Okay. Stop. I just want to see what the call input on the WhatsApp, because I don't know if I'm gonna be using this. I think there's a much better way of doing this, something like this. So call your enter. Yeah, because this should actually be a drop down. So that's what I need. And then you have to add your number. Well, you can't type. Z stack uneven round. The fuck? C stack. Okay. Copy that. Yeah, I might actually just use something simple, because what I would want to do is I would want to have this to be some like a drop down, but I think I need that now. So I might actually just go with a rectangle, not caring about the design so much. Add padding horizontally. Nothing. Okay. this is the hardest part. Aside from all the logic, I'd say the UI is the most tedious part. Okay, so we'll get rid of this. Negative of 10. What? What am I? Stop. Fuck. Okay. I might actually just go with this one. Can't be fuck. And then I'll just copy that design. Add it here. Yep. Doesn't look that different though. I don't see the rounded. And then we could say like if this is empty, then I need this type of color. So if not, like if it's I don't see the rounder though. Doesn't seem to show up. Alright, so we gotta move this top 40. Actually, I want to see this on the thing. How do I test this? I think I should be able to test it here. So login view is so the login view should be the welcoming board. So I might need to change this. Welcome. But the way it's implemented now, I think I need to like stop this check and this one. Oh shit. And even this part. And then, because it says here home view. So it needs to go, so from welcoming page, and it goes from OTP. Oh shit. So I need to initialize this part here. Yeah, so I also still need to adopt a MVVM model. So that's one of the things I still need to do. So from the welcome view, because like if you have an account already, it should just automatically send to it will automatically move towards the main view. And that's actually not even documented here. Running. There you go. There we go. So there should not be any back buttons. Yeah, even on this one, they didn't have the ability to go back. So it takes a bit of time to build this whole thing. Why is it not showing? Anyway, go back here. So they press, so they insert something here, and boom, that should be the next page. Receiving credentials, send code, yeah. Verify the number. Oh my god, I might as well just disable production. lagging. Alright. Careful. Submit the code. When you submit, check loading, verification code. Yeah. Set loading is true. I don't see the thing though. It doesn't open up. I'm lagging or something. Okay, so you have to do it here. Alright, I got you. Open up! What the fuck? Why isn't it opening? It's supposed to just open up automatically. Okay, so I'm able to fix it now. Okay, cool. Bloody hell, mate. And then, so now that's working. Where are we up to? So when you press this, it's gonna send you a verification code. So when you press this, it's gonna let me just fix this. Okay, so hide this part. Yeah, because I want to make sure to test this. So it would show up a sheet, but the design is not based on a sheet. So a sheet is kind of like a temporary page, like a modal on iOS, but this is a full page. I need to change that. It's not opening up. I don't know why. There you go. But isn't this better though? Anyway, I think I'll just go with this one then, so I don't have to keep redesigning this entire thing. And then, so verify your number. Yes, if I can get all the UI done today with the onboarding, that's a big win. Should be So that's what it currently looks like. Alright, let's start building this. So verify your number, and let's copy this. Yeah. So these three things need to be in the same thing. And then you have the button at the very end. Alright, so this one should be here. how do I do this part? This OTP thing. OTP verify UI, Swift UI. Yeah, so this one.
Hello and welcome to this
Creating the boxes. Okay. Boxes.
This tutorial on how to create a segmented text field that automatically move to the next one, like the OTP text field you have seen in many apps. Let's take a look at what you will be creating. So you'll be creating this text field box. Then when you key in a value, it will automatically move to the next one until it reaches the last one and the keyboard will dismiss. So what happens is that if you press the delete button, it will move to the back one until it removes the value. If this text field already have a value, let's say you key in 2, it will replace with the new value and the old value will be removed. Because of how we're creating, you can easily convert into an OTP text field with only 4 values instead of 6. Let's get started by creating this OTP text field, and the starter project is provided on the description below. Once you have downloaded the starting project, open up the content view. In the content view, you will see a navigation stack with a title called Verified Phone, and it contains a text right over here and a button which is created using RUI rounded corner button style, which is a package that I created so that I can reuse the style so that the starting project will look much more cleaner. So once this project is stabilized, I will share it on my YouTube channel. So remember to subscribe if you want to find out more about this Swift UI package in the future. Then at the bottom is also contain a text right over here. So now the first thing is we want to create this little box which is a text field. So how can we do that?
Is it the
so first
complete
let's create a folder called views. Then in this folder we will create a Swift UI view, and then I will call it as OTP text field. So the first thing, let's create this box. So the box we will be using, as I mentioned, text field. If you want it to be secure like those small dot hidden, you can use a secure text field instead. So this will be empty because we don't want any placeholder value. And let's create a state called enter value and create a binding over here. Now we can't see anything, so let's make a background and give it a color of gray. I will put an opacity of 0.1, so it will be a light gray. So what happened is that if you see the size is incorrect, so let's create a frame. We give it a width and height of your choice. I will give it 48 and a height of 48. Now we need some rounded corner. As you can see, it's pretty ugly right now. So let's create a corner radius of 5. Then now if you click on this text field, like let's enter a value, you can see it starts from the leading side, which is not what we wanted. So we will do a multi-text alignment of center. So the first value will be in the middle. So now we have created the first text field. We must meet it so that we can create 6 or 8 of these boxes. So how we can do that? We can create a H tag. Let's copy this. You can see if you want to have 3, you can copy 3 of it. Since copying is a bad practice, we shouldn't use this, but we should use for each to look through and create the boxes that we want. So let's create a for each. So the data that we want is 0. Let's say we want to have 6 of it. I will give index which we will require to use it later on. So now you have created 6 of it. If you want 4, you can put it 4. So to make it more flexible, we should let the user, the developer, to decide how much they want. Let's create a number of text field, number of fields. Then we will use these fields over here, which you are required to declare right over here. As you can see, now there is 6 text fields, so if you want 4, you can change this value to 4. But there is another issue, is that these text fields are using the same value. So how we can do that? So we can change this, instead of using single string, we can change it to an array of string. But how do we declare it? Let's say if we have 6 of it, or maybe 4. So let's create a custom initializer. We should remove this, and we should create array. So the number of repeats is depending on the text, the number of fields.
Enter value.
Then the element will be just an empty string. Then this, we can't use the value directly. Instead, we have to use the index. So once it's done, you can see that they can use different value, but there is an issue. So if we key this value, it will not automatically go to the next one. So how do we do that? So the first thing is, we want to be able to switch from this text field to the next one when the user enter the value. To do that, we have to use something called focus state. So let's create a focus state. Is a private.
I don't even know if you can do that. An editing change.
We'll use something called focus. So it will bind to our focus field, field focus. Then the value will be indexed. If the value is equal to 0, it will know that it belongs to these text fields and it have to focus. So how do it know that this text field is value 0, 1, 2? We will put in a tag. The first text field will have a tag of 0, 1, 2.
I could literally just copy it, but alright, I think this might be useful to learn how it's constructed. Number of fields. Then we can use this value to tell the text field that if the value and
if they enter a value, it will focus the next text field. So to do that, we'll use a onChange. So the change is the entered value of the index. So what happened is that we want this text field focus. If it's empty, we will just put it as 0. Then we will pass 1. Okay, so let's try it out. So to try this, we need to run it on a simulator. Now we can't see anything because we have to use it. To use it, let's go to our content view and let's call it and give a value of 6. If you want 4, you can also give it 4. Let's run the project again. So now if I key the first value, it will go to the next one and so on and so forth. But for OTP, it should be a value instead of this keyboard. Let's change the keyboard type to number pad. So if you see what, so what happens if I enter this value? You see, this thing will become longer. So what happens is we want to either dismiss the keyboard so that it will let the user key in any more stuff. So what we can do is we can put this into a if index equal number of field minus 1. The field focus will be here, else. So if you see it now, if we key in this, the last value, it will just dismiss the keyboard. So the next thing we want to do is to do this erase button. See, if we erase, we need to erase it one at a time, so it will be very troublesome for the user. And the worst thing is, if we erase, it will go to the next one, dismiss the equal number of field minus 1.
Go to the last value. So okay.
So if you see it now,
if you make changes, it goes back to the previous value, the last value.
So the next thing we want to do is to do this erase button. See, if we erase, we need to erase it one at a time, so it will be very troublesome for the user.
It goes back to that
and the
last value.
Is if we erase, it will go to the next one instead of this value. So how do we do that? So we have to do a check to see if the new value is it empty or not. So if new value is empty, so if they are not empty, we will move to the next one. So if they are not empty, we will go to the next one. But if they are empty, means they already erased the value until it finish. What we want to do is we want to move back. So let's try it. And now let's say if I want to erase this value, it will move back. You see, it's working. But now the value key in like 5, or you can key more than that. Let's say if we start from here again, or we start from here again, we can key in more value. So how do we limit the number of value, or how do we change to the latest value? Now what we want to do is we want to check if the entered value currently, we want to see the count, is it more than 1? So if it's more than 1, means that the user already entered a value. So what we want to do is we can change the entered value index . So let's say if you key the value, it will update the value now. Sorry. Yeah. So this is sort of something we want. So now user can't key in more than 1 value, but there is an issue. So let's say if the value is in front over here, so let's say if I key in 1, it will be 2, because we always take the synfig, which is the second value, the value at the back. So how do we know if we want to use this first value? So we want to use the prefix of it. So to do that, we can put a on editing. So what we want to do is we want to be able to get the old value of it. So if it is editing, we want to be able to get the old value. Now create a old value equal to empty. So this old value will be equal to
Comment if you don't have the hide.
So we are able to compare this value, is it the new one or the old one, so we will know when to take the prefix.
So if you reach the very end,
so to do that,
hide the
we'll
keyboard. Okay, I got it.
Current value equal to away, entered value, and the index. So now we want to do a comparison. So if current value, the first value equal the, let's say, character old value, because it's a string, but we are sure that it only has one value, so we can just convert to a character and it won't crash. Then we will use the suffix.
And then this would be focused on
Else we will use
the next value,
the prefix. So let's run the project and try it out. So now let's try to key in any value that you want. So now let's say if you want to change the value to 2, and
if you reach the end, then
here,
maintain the
If
focus.
the cursor is at the back, it will change the value also. So this fixes the issue. So that's all for this project. If you like the content like this, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will share. So what we want to do is we can change the entered value index. So let's say if you key the value, it will update the value now. So yeah, so this is sort of something we want. So now user can't key in more than one value, but there is an issue. So let's say if the value is in front over here, so let's say if I key in 1, it will be 2, because we always take the synfig, which is the second value, the value at the back. So how do we know if we want to use this first value? So we want to use the prefix of it. So to do that, we can put a on editing. So what we want to do is we want to be able to get the old value of it.
Well, how come I don't see it?
It is editing. We want to be able to get the old value. Now create a old value.
Oh, gray.
Equal to empty. So this old value will be equal to enter value. So we are able to compare if this value is it the new one or the old one. So we will know when to take the prefix and when to take the suffix. So to do that, we will use let current value.
Wait, be right back. Yeah. My fucking AirPod Max all of a sudden stopped working. Literally just stopped working. I've used it for like I used it on Monday, and for no reason it just stopped working. It doesn't want to connect to my fucking phone anymore. Oh man. Anyway.
Away, entered value and the index. So now we want to do a comparison. So if current value, the first value,
Which is so funny because like coincidentally they released a brand new version of the AirPod Max. And all of a sudden, my fucking breaks.
The whole value because it's a string.
Alright, so
we are sure that it only have one value, so we can just convert to a character and it won't crash. Then we will use the suffix else we will use the prefix. So let's run the project and try it out. So now let's try to key in any value that you want. So now let's say if I want to change the value to 2 and the cursor is over here, it will change to 2. If the cursor is at the back, it will change the value also. So this fixes the issue. So that's all for this project. If you like the content like this, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will share more on this type of video. Thank you very much. Hello, in this video, you will learn how to create animated splash screen or loading screen. Let's take a look again on what you will be creating. As you can see, for the Twitter logo becomes small first and then it enlarges all the way. Let's try to recreate this and create a nice animated splash or loading screen. Before you begin, I have provided you with the starting code. You can download it from the link provided on the descriptions below. Click on the green code button and download zip. Once downloaded, double click to unzip and open out the starting project. Remember to click trust and open. In the starting project, I have provided you with two state variable and the home screen. You can double click on this home screen and take a look. As you can see, the home screen just provide you with the home page of what I have created. So let's go back to the content view, and this is a place when we are going to create the animation effect, which will make use of this two state variable. So the first thing that we want to do is to create the Twitter blue screen as the starting page, which will then, once the animation finish, we will then change to this home page. So how we can do that is we write the if statement.
Oof, nice.
So if the home is a root screen, then we will show this view.
Nice.
Else,
nice.
we will show the image Twitter logo.
Okay, but how do I get the values? That means I need to.
So if you look at the asset, I have provided you with this Twitter icon and the blue background color. So what happened over here? What happened over here is we want to use this Twitter image. The reason you can't see anything is because the background color is also white in color. So what we want to do is we want to embed in this tag so that we can change the background color. So we will change the background color to the Twitter blue color that is provided to you. So now you can finally see this Twitter icon, but we also don't want this top and bottom border. So what we want to do is we want to ignore safe area. Okay, so once you see this screen, you know that this will be the starting screen that what.
So I need to find a way to get the value.
So what you want to do is you need to provide the starting size that they want. So let's change to resizable. aspect ratio, let's do it feet. Then we will do a frame with a width of around 80.
I think you have to use
So
binding.
this is what the user will see first. So now what we want to do is we want to animate this image. So how we can animate? We will use the skew effect. So if you take a look at the skew effect, so what we want to do is, let's say the skew effect is 1, it will be the same as what the width we provided. So let's say if we change to 10, it will be larger. So we'll use skew amount. So the default skew amount is 1. Then we will animate this skew amount to increase the skew amount so that Twitter logo will be larger, and if you decrease the skew amount, the Twitter logo will be smaller. So now when we should appear, so when the screen appear, we should start animating it. So we will do on appear. As you can see from the starting project, so let's retake a look again. So as you can see, the first thing is the Twitter logo will be zoomed, will be become smaller. Then after that, then it will enlarge the logo. So this is what we need to recreate. So the first thing is we need to shrink the icon. That's one. Then after a certain time period, we want to enlarge it. So how we can do that? So we will use the width animation. I will do a is out with a duration. Let's create a duration of maybe 1 first and see what will happen. So the first thing is we want to change the skew amount, so we want to decrease the size. So let's try to change to 0.6. Let's build and run.
The old value. Alright, so I get it. So
the
this
icon
is
has been reduced in size. So then now what happened is we want to enlarge it. So we will use the same thing with animation. I will do a is in out. I will do a duration of 1 again. Then maybe so the delay. So the delay will be according to the value you put here. So let's say here is 1. We will put 1 over here. Then we will change the skew amount. I will change to around 80. So now it finally enlarged the icon. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go to the home screen. So to do that, I will do a dispatch queue. .min.eScene after. So the deadline will be now plus around 2. The reason is 2 is because the delay is the duration for this animation is 1, and then the next animation is 1 again. Then now we will execute something. So let's do a closure. So we will change to each home screen to true. So you can see that 1 is after 2 seconds. What will happen is we will change the each home screen to true, which thus our Twitter logo will disappear and will be replaced with the home screen. So this is what you want. If you take a look carefully, when I open the icon, you will see a white color screen first. Then after that, then this thing appear. The reason is because this is not really the splash screen. So if you click on our project, you can see that we can change the launch screen to a file. So what we will do is we will use a storyboard to initialize, to start off with a launch screen so that the white color screen will be disappeared. So let's create a file, right click, new file, and select launch screen. Then remember to select the target and select click. So now what we want to do is we want to have the same layout as our launch screen to be, so that this launch screen will be replaced with this content view. Then it will start off with the animation. So the first thing is, let's delete this label. So for those that doesn't know anything about UIKit and Storybook, this is one way in UIKit to create user interface. As same as SwiftUI, there is a library which you can search for what you want and do a drag and drop. So let's first change the background first. So what we want to do is we want to change this view background. So we want to change the background to the Twitter view that we have created. Then the next thing is we want to add an image. So if we want to do other stuff, we can add a label.
If the old value is less
similar
than
to text in SwiftUI,
the number of fields,
enable you to write something.
the length
But
is less
what
than
we want is we want to have image, which is the UI image view. Then we will select our Twitter logo. So one thing about SwiftUI is, although it seems like the view is recentered over here, but as the size changes, it will change. So we need to add constraints to fix the position. So if you click on this icon over here, add new constraint, then you have various things. So over here you can state that, like, from the top, what is the distance. For over here, for one SwiftUI, there is a library which you can search for what you want and do a drag and drop. So let's first change the background first. So what we want to do is we want to change this view background. So we want to change the background along screen so that then this thing appear. Then remember to select launch screen will be replaced with this content view. Then it will start off with the animation. So the first thing is, let's delete this label. So for those that doesn't know anything about UIKit and Storybook, this is one way in UIKit to create user interface. As same as SwiftUI, there is a library which you can search for what you want and do a drag and drop. So let's first change the background first. So what we want to do is we want to change this view background. So we want to change the background to the Twitter view that we have created. Then the next thing is we want to add an image. So if you want to do other stuff, you can add a label which is similar to text in SwiftUI, enable you to write something. But what we want is we want to have image, which is a UI image view. Then we will select our Twitter logo. So one thing about SwiftUI is, although it seems like the view is recentered over here, but as the size changes, it will change. So we need to add constraints to fix the position. So if you click on this icon over here, add new constraint, then you have various things. So over here you can state that, like, from the top, what is the distance. For over here is about like 300, so from the top it should be 300 or what. So what we want is we want to set a width and height constraint. So in the starting size we will do 80 and 80.
How do I get it from the parent?
The border become red color because there is some issue. The reason is we also need to state, like, from above what is the distance, from the left leading or trailing what is the distance. But we want to meet it in the center. So we will click on this, align, then we will select horizontal and vertical in the container. Then it will be horizontal and vertically centered. So now let's try to run it. In this case, you won't see the white color screen anymore. Let's take a look again. There won't be a white color screen. The reason is because this will be your splash screen instead of a white color screen. That's all for this lesson. Hope you will like, and please like and subscribe our video. social media.
Oh my god, that's exactly what I need. That shimmer loading effect, yeah. Okay, so
when they are loading their data behind the scene. So before you start,
oh, they call that
please
shimmer
remember
effect.
to
Oh.
like and subscribe our video, as
Okay.
I will be sharing more stuff related to SwiftView 5. So let's get started.
Binding.
Create a new project. You can give anything you want. I will give it a shimmering effect box.
Yeah, because what I could do is I could make this as a state
Then
object
save at the locations that you
and
want.
just publish the
So
item.
if you're wondering how we can create this effect, you can see
I need
that
to
there
get
is
there.
a gradient over here that starts from gray, white, gray. So we'll be using a gradient to create this effect. For some of you that are not sure how we do this gradient effect, you can just follow me along in this course. So let's create this linear gradient first. To make it easier, we'll create a new SwiftView file and give it a name of shimmer effect box. So to create a gradient, the easiest way is to create a linear gradient. There are three ways: color, stock, and gradient. We can use these colors to create the gradient, which we need to provide then the colors that we want. Let's create a variable, and I will call it fiber gradient colors. Depending on the color that you want to give, I will give it gray, a clear color which will follow the background, and probably a gray again. Then we will give these gradient colors for this colors parameter. Then the next thing is we want to tell them where is the start and the end point. So we can tell them is, let's say, leading first, then trading. So now you can see that we create this gradient, and the next thing to do is to animate it. So let's try to create animations. So we want the animations to appear when the view appears. So we will use on appear. Then we will perform a certain action, which is animation. So it's with animation. Then we will select is in out. Link on the durations that you want. I will give a 1 or maybe 5 for now. Then we will do a repeat forever and auto reversal. So we'll give a false so that the animation will not reverse. What it means by reverse is it will move from here to here. So you can see that when for this time when you repeat, it starts from here again to here. But if auto reversal is true, it will go from here back to the top, which is not what we want. And now is what is the changes that we want to change when the animations appear. So let's create a new state variable. So we need to change this animations to true, so it will know what to change when it is animating turn from false to true. So we can give an example for the start point to be, so it will start from leading when animating is 1, then after that it will become trading, so it will move from here to here. But this is not what we wanted, is because the animation is being squeezed. The reason is because this endpoint is starting from trading, but what we want is we want to move it outside of it.
It auto reverses. Ah.
And there is also another issue with this, is that the animation is starting from here, but what we really want is we want to start from outside. So we want to move these animations So how we can do this when the start point only have leading, trailing, bottom, all this, which is not what we wanted. We can create a custom unique point. Using this init x and y, create a new state so that later we can just straight away change this state for animation. Let's give the init a 00 first.
Where is the button? Oh, OTP. 6. So 6 boxes. Why isn't it updating? Oh no, because it's... Wait, is it disabled? But where's the numpad? One, two, three, four, five, six. What the fuck? Why does it keep doing that? Yeah, because it's not updating. It doesn't confirm to view. Like, how do I get the valid? Oh. do this, so maybe it's better to just... Maybe it's better to use observable. Transform a character from an empty string. I might, yeah, so I'm gonna turn this into a view model instead. cannot convert the value of the expected value of focus. if I initialize it here instead? Hopefully this works. Failed. Oh. Oh, nice. Nice. Wait, okay. Right there. Whoa, look at that. Ocean Gate.
Every moment stacks the deck against good again and again and again.
That's insane. Is that? Oh wow. That's fucking chilling, dude. Damn.
before a catastrophic implosion revealed. Imagine the tension. All good here. Those were some of the last words sent from the ill-fated Titan submersible during its June 2023 dive to the Titanic wreck. Fast forward to today. The U.S. Coast Guard has just unveiled these chilling details of the two peering into the tragic implosion that killed all 5 of them. As the Titan descended nearly 300 meters, communication abruptly stopped, leaving
I feel like no one else is watching this and it's super interesting. That's crazy. Wow. Damn. Oh, what the fuck? But I don't get why it's not printing. What is the old value? So what if I decided to delete this? Yo. Nice. Leading the raid here. Yo. Thank you so much. How was the stream? Oh, you finally got it working. Six. How's it going? Yeah, I'm just building WordPress based stream avatar plugin. Wow, WordPress based stream avatar plugin. Yeah, wow. Is that like a? How long have you been working on that? Is that like a school project or like a just a project? WordPress based. I've never heard of that. Yeah, I've been used to WordPress, so I don't know anything. Yeah, I don't know anything. Sorry. Hey, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm just working on the onboarding flow for my app. We should come to Oregon Street tomorrow. He's chill. Oh, I'll see if I can come by. Are you always? Are you like online? Like when are you like online? Like so I can like catch up. Yeah, cause usually I stream at this time. So maybe if I can like, maybe if I'm not streaming, I can just stop by and say hey. It's a couple days now. I've worked with WordPress. Nice. It's been a while since I've heard somebody be a WordPress programmer. Cool out. Cool. 10:30. Gotcha. Because I'm pretty sure that's like the opposite of my time zone. So that would be like 10:30 a.m. Yeah. Time. Yeah. Gotcha. Cool. Yeah, because I wasn't streaming yesterday, so I could easily stop by and say yo. Australia. Actually, Australia. Yeah, it's the complete upside down. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so if it's PM for you, it's AM for me. I just start thinking. Nice. Like, how long have you been programming in WordPress? Because I haven't heard anyone do that. 16 years. Holy shit. Wow. Because I know WordPress is like a website builder, right? Because I know when Shopify came out, I think everybody just moved to Shopify. Used to work in Disney one. Jeez. Wow. Jesus. They all use it. Oh, God. Yeah, cause I thought it would have been like, I don't know, like I don't wanna say, cause I don't know anything. I thought it would have been obsolete, but by now, yeah, they all use it. Yeah, fair. That's cool. Yeah, I know. I don't wanna make it sound like it's too old or it's not like COBOL or anything like that, because I think COBOL is still used in some banks, but yeah. I've never heard anyone use it in a while, so that's really cool. Are you like new to streaming as well? Are you right now it's only more popular CMS. Oh right. I see. Yeah, that's cool. That's sick. Yeah, so I'm basically just working on my application. So this is the onboarding flow. So I learned how to. So this is the enter your phone number. So you select your country. So this is supposed to be a drop down, but I'm too lazy to do that now. So basically you type your number, and then this would send you a code, and then you enter your code here. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's a little bit buggy. That's what I've been working on for the last couple hours. Swift, actually. Can't really see Swift. Yeah, it's Xcode, so it's a little bit... Yeah, you gotta work with it, you know? There you go. Oh. Yeah, oh, because I think I keep pressing the... Oh, button. Yeah, I wanted to learn Swift. That's why I just chose Swift for this one. I've done some React Native projects before, but because I really want to get into Vision Pro kind of thing. But I don't want to just jump straight into Vision Pro, so I'm kind of having to work a little bit onto mobile first and then get there. Because I gotta learn Swift first. Oh wow, okay, what's going on? You all to be into web programming. Yeah, yeah. Because typically I would use Next.js for any web development. Express, you know, it's like Mern, React, like that's usually what I would normally use. But yeah, I kind of got interested into I got really interested into Apple ecosystem, especially when the Vision OS came out. I thought I might try something brand new. Yeah. That's really cool. How long have you been streaming? 16 years and more. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Oh. Like 6 months. Oh shit. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, cool. It's working. Yeah, I'd say like same thing, around same from me as well. That's really cool. I'm a sci-fi advanced pixels. I'm building a game engine to build. A game engine? Are you writing it on... You're building on game engine? Wow. Because I've heard a lot of people are hyped about Godot. I think I call it Godot. Wow, so what are you building your game engine? C++ maybe, I'm guessing. I don't know. WordPress game engine. That's... wait, what? WordPress game engine. It sounds so like... yeah, because you know how I'm thinking about this, so yeah. WordPress game engine. Wow. Wow. Okay, so now it's working. I just use WordPress as management and then use the styling function. Oh yeah, I got you. Or CMS, yeah. Wow, I've... Yeah. Just like pixel art RPG. Right. Wow, this is really brand new. I'm learning, because I've never really heard anyone build on WordPress. Wow. Are you still working in Disney? I'm guessing. You probably are. I think I think you did say that. Used to. Oh, you used to work. Okay. Oh, I didn't keep people for long. Only for a couple years. Didn't keep people for long. I wonder why. That's cool. Are you also on YouTube? They have some YouTube hiring assistants for contractors. Right. Because I've never heard of a WordPress game engine. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Yeah, cause I got into, I guess a little bit about gaming. Like I'm starting to make some devlogs, and apparently it's a thing on game developers, and I kind of want to do the same thing with what I'm building here. Just like I could document it, cause like I think streaming is good, but if it's not on YouTube, I think people just. I don't even look back to my old stream, so I kind of want to start the same thing with devlogs. Yeah, there's none yet. I'm making it. Yeah. Shit. You should vlog it. Yeah, people call it dev. It's like a thing on game developers. Devlogs. Yeah, I recently learned about it on. Like I watched a video about it. Like I've watched Thin Matrix. I think it's like one of the few guys were doing it. Yeah, he would like every week he would make a video on what he did, and he would just run down and showcase it. Yeah, that's really cool. I've been watching this. I was like, oh, I kind of want to do that. Yeah, I'll multicast. YouTube is good for documentation. I'll check you out. Yeah, because I think if it doesn't make it to like a 10-minute video, I don't even revisit my old streams. Or oh, I think I found it. I'll do a daily short, but yeah, I'll not. Must have went someday when I finish the game. Shit, that'd be sick. I think I found. This is the one. I think it's. I gotcha. Oh, I gotcha. That's cool. That's really cool. WordPress game engine. Because there's, don't worry about it. So, don't worry. There's even one, like I've seen like some projects on Twitter. See, somebody built like I don't remember, but they did it in C. Some project, I can't remember. Right. Anyway. Okay, so if they press this. Yeah, I think on YouTube, I'm kind of lazy. Yeah, I gotcha. I'm gonna head to bed. Yeah. Thank you for checking out. See ya. Yeah, I gotta do more YouTube. Damn. So I need to handle. Okay, that seems to be working now. Cool. And then so I just need to make sure that the button is dynamic. Like, that's really cool though. WordPress game engine. Damn. See, the only issue here is the corner radius is not updating, that's all. Oh man, I've been working on this for like 4 hours. Alright. Okay, and then cool. Alright. Shit. Alright, next one. I could do one more and then I gotta go. That's so cool. Somebody raided. That's so cool. I've never had anyone raid me. Oh man, I'm geeking out. All right, God. So create your profile and then. Shit, where am I? So very close to BB. Oh, create profiles. So for most of the UI for the application I'm working on, most of them are basically done at this point. And it's really just putting all together. It's like my goal for this week is just to get through the whole design, finish the entire design, and then work on the logic afterwards. That makes it much easier to just handle everything. Ah, man. Okay. Create the profile, enter the name and optional picture. The name you use here is how you will be addressed for any incoming calls. Enter your email. Yeah, so I think one of the things I added here is the email verification. That's it. So after this, they put in your email, then we send a verification. Check your inbox and click the link to send. The name you use here is how you will address for any incoming call. Because the bottom line, it's like, I don't even need the profile picture. Just get rid of this. Like that might be like profile picture. Yeah, I don't think I need that, so last one. at 20. .30. Is it 10:30? 10:30 p.m. 12:30. Yes. Let's Orban Mower? Fuck it. Daily shorts. Oh man, God. Yeah, speaking of that devlog, I would just wish I started that sooner. I feel like it's a little too late, I guess. But then again, it's like I've seen like some people. It's like technically, it's like it's not really too late, especially because some game developers, they wait until they show something. They wait until they have something to show before they even start a devlog. It's like, I think I'm in that place now, 3 months in, but I just wish I started this. God. Yeah, because I feel like there's so many. I think it would have been a great series. Yeah, it would have been such a great series. Even just like to look back on, it's like, man. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like even just to look back on, it's like that series, building that app. Oh my god. Gosh, I'm getting distracted. I think that's it. The buttons, is it buttons? What is the preferred name to use for it? Oh, I get it, because like the width is not functional. God, I also can't imagine like having 10 years of experience. I don't know where I would be by then. Like, damn. Alright, I think I'll end it here. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna just I'll try and finish this tomorrow. Finish this tomorrow. Alright. I think I could play a game then. Play a game, definitely. Alright, I'll play a key. Okay. Play one game and that's it. Maybe 2 games. Okay. Oh shit, the sound isn't working. David May should. Oh fuck. Alright, let's go here. Oh, fuck's sakes, I didn't. Aw, come on, man. Why did I even peek? jump down. Why would he push? How is he not doing this though? No. No, no. Move. Nice, I still got him. Lost it. One's there. Okay. You ready? Oh my god. Come on, man. Oh wow, we're losing people. Alright. One there. One bridge. Oh man, I fucking wrecked.